Let's practice bubbles.
Kyrie mukhang honey. Kinakalaban niya yung Eden. Ang pixel, kinakalaban niya ang Eden.
Habang nag-ML.
Pixel, papel, pixel, Eden, ML, MC. Wala na baboy lang. Tingnan ako. Ay, ginawa mo?
Hindi.
Ayun o! Nilagay mo dyan eh. Uy! Straw ko to.
I think that was the biggest one.
Oh, isa akin yan.